Now when we want to focus on the upper bicep and we want to get that little ridge here that you see at the top, this area, you're going to want to do your dumbbell hammer curls. And the key to this one is you're keeping your arms this way the whole time. Now, when you're doing these curls, you don't want to be moving your arms forward, moving them back, like I said in the other exercises, you don't want to substitute that momentum. You want to have the bicep isolated and target to really feel those contractions fully. That's going to give you the maximized results you're looking for. So let's check out the dumbbell hammer curl. You can do these alternating one at a time or both at the same time. It doesn't really matter. What does matter is that your elbows don't sway back and forth. You want to keep your elbows locked in place so you can focus on your bicep curling all the way up. When you get to that full contraction at the peak, try and hold it for a second or two. That'll give you an effective burn that really lets you know you worked the muscle right.